Mga kapuso, this morning sa BizDoc ato makauban ang usa ka singer-songwriter dinhi sa Dakbayan sa Davao, si Miss Jad Montenegro Amor. Good morning, Jad, and welcome sa At Home with the GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka?
Good morning. I'm doing well.
Okay, so how did you start your career in singing?
Actually, I didn't start out as a singer-songwriter. I pretty much began playing in bands nung nag-college ako sa UP Diliman sa QC. So, nagdo-dorm ako doon. When I make friends there, usually nagbabanda sila. So, doon ako nag-start. In college, basically, marami akong kaibigan na iba-iba ang genre na tinutugtog. So, doon ako nag-start. And then, umuwi na ako ng Davao. Sabi ko, saan ba yung music scene sa Davao? So, pumunta ako sa Durian Bar. And doon ko nakilala si Paolo Castillo, very good friend of mine. Siya yung may-ari. At doon niya ako i-introduce sa mga bandmates ko. Doon na, nag-start na kami sa three-piece. We started playing gigs. And then, people liked our songs. And more and more people came to our shows. And that's basically how it started.
How did singing change your life?
Singing changed my life in the sense that before I was just in bands, and I was just it was something for me to do while I was in school, while I was in college. And then when I started being in a band that had my own name, and then I suddenly had a band that was called Jad Montenegro, and it kind of changed my life in the sense that biglang my name is out there, and I kind of have some sort of accountability as to what that name is associated with. Like, suddenly people are asking me questions like, anong music ba si Jad Montenegro? And I never thought about things like that. So it really made me think. Being a singer and being in a band forces you to think about your identity. It changed my life in the sense that if you're a performer, it's a different sort of interaction with people. So it's still in a social setting, but there's a whole lot of pressure there. If you're a performer, you have to hone your craft. It's basically a high adrenaline thing for a few minutes and then it's over. Basically, that's how it changed my life, really.
So, usasab ka managing director sa usa ka orphanage, Miss Jad. Unsa ang nahimong contribution sa imong talent sa pagkanta sa imong trabaho sa orphanage?
Yeah, I am managing director for an orphanage. This orphanage, my dad co-founded it in 1999, and I've been managing it. This is my third year managing it. My dad has passed away now, so he ran it for almost 20 years, and just still struggling to try to fit in his shoes, kasi syempre who can match our parents, right? So they're our heroes. And as a manager of an orphanage, what I can say about it is that you're responsible for a lot of things. Kasi you're the managing director, you're making sure that it runs properly. You're responsible for the welfare of somebody else other than yourself. So you're really forced to put into perspective what is the depth and width of your compassion for others. It really forces you to think, ano ba ang kaya kong gawin para sa mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong.
Okay, so any message to our Kapuso viewers, especially sa mga buot mahimong singers?
If my experiences are anything to go by, I would say just do what you love. Doesn't even have to be the same thing year after year. It can change. It's okay. Just do what you want. Make sure you're still interested in it. And if you're interested in something different next year or next month, that's totally fine. Just use what you know, use your experiences, build on them, create something cool. Because you're cool. So I hope that helps people who want to make music. Believe in yourself, love what you do.
Okay, so Miss Jad, una tamahuman, pwede ba nimo ma-share sa atong mga kapuso viewers ang usa sa pinaka-favorite song covers nimo? And of course, pwede ba ka muhatag og sample?
Mahal, bakit ka ba natatakot? Mahal, isip mo lang ay nababalot ng kung ano ang sinasabi nila. Ano ba talaga ang totoo? Basta mo, nandito lang ako. Nangako sa'yo, tutuparin, ikaw pa rin ang tanging mahal.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.